Good evening, everyone. I still need you to pray for me. I still live here in Florida. And let me tell you what I read in the headlines today. Okay, let me go down here. It says, did Florida AG cross the line telling cops that they can ignore a court order? Now, the AG that we currently have right now, it is James Youthmeyer. He is a DeSantis and Trump lover. I really believe he has a picture of Pam Bondi probably on his refrigerator. He's absolutely one of the worst. Now, initially, he told the cops that he cannot arrest immigrants, that they cannot arrest immigrants that were entering the states. And I'm talking about immigrants that are undocumented. And then he turned around days later and said that he can't prevent them from making arrests under a new law being challenged in court. Now, interestingly enough for me, is that he did this after the DOJ arrested a judge because she let a non-resident go, because they didn't have the legal documentations in order to pick this person up. And well, now the new law the AG was referring to is that they can enforce the state statute criminalizing illegal immigrants from arriving in Florida who don't notify federal authorities of their entry. However, on April 18th, an order was issued by District Judge Kathleen Williams that this cannot happen. They don't have to inform anybody when they enter the state. But now you have the Florida AG contradicting a U.S. federal judge on her order. Now, this issue is going to be heard on Tuesday, and I'm going to make sure I report on it. So we're going to have the Florida state lawyers that don't do very well in court face against the immigration advocate who sued Florida over the constitutionality of the new immigration law. I really believe that Trump and DeSantis cronies are intent in breaking the Constitution here in the United States, especially here in the state of Florida. And this is how it begins. So pay attention, because if it happens here, it's going to happen in other red states in which Republicans are going to push this issue. And you have crazy attorney generals like the one in freaking Texas that doesn't really believe in the rule of law. Anyway, you guys have a blessed day.